Action.
There's an ice flower over there. Go get it, Luigi. Luigi, go and get the ice flower. I got it. Okay, and you turn it here. Yay! It's Princess Peach. Hello. Hello. How is everyone? Good. Did you come to see my beautiful castles? Yes. I hope that bad Koopa never shows up. No. Thank you for saving me, Mario. Oh, wait. Mario, are you okay? Mario. Luigi, shoot him with an ice ball. Ice ball. Thank you for saving me, Luigi. You've always been my favorite.
The end.
You know?